All right, my beautiful followers, good afternoon and welcome to today's class. Today, we'll be treating a question that has been coming from many of my followers concerning contactors. So today I want to give us, I'll try as much as possible to give us a detailed explanation on this particular contactor. This is a 30 amps, 1000 volts contactor. And then it has got 3 contacts here for the power input, and then 3 contacts here to the load input. So this is the output going to the input of the load. All right, so and then we also have the auxiliary contacts here. And then of course we have one of the coil contact A2, and then we have the A1 and then also A2. So this A2 here is a straight conductor from here all the way to this back where you have this other A2. Okay, so the A2 you are going to choose is dependent on your cable arrangement and the position of this contactor in the electrical panel. All right, so first of all, before we proceed, let us show what this thing means in a diagram. So when you see something like this, I'm going to be fast to draw this before I explain. So normally we could have something like this, which is our contacts, and then of course we're going to have this side. So I'm going to label this under here. This is our coil. This section is our power contacts. These are power contacts, and here is our auxiliary contacts. All right, so this is what we have in our contactors. Now, how is it labeled? This side, this is the coil, is labeled A1 and A2. All right, and of course you have this dotted line, which tells you that it is this coil that operates these ones. So now this is also labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then of course on this side we have 1, 3, and down here we have 1, 4. This one is our normally open, and this is our normally open. All right, so this is the auxiliary contact. You are going to see it written like this. And then here, of course, this is the input where the line voltage enters the contactor. We'll call this one L1, we'll call this one L2, and we'll call this one L3. And then on this side, this is where the power goes or leaves to the load. We'll call this one terminal 1, terminal 2, and terminal 3. So when you look at a contactor, let us get this one close. When you look at this contactor, you have these terminals, A1 and A2. And then when you come up to the top of it, you are going to have the 1L1, which is this one we have here. We're going to have the 3L2, which is this one we have here. And we're going to have 5L3, which is this one we have here. Then down here at the load side, you're going to have the 2T1, the 42, and the 63. Then on the auxiliary terminals, you are going to have the 1-3 normally open and 1-4 normally open, which is what we have here and here. How do these ones work? When you send power, this one is rated 220 volts. When you connect 220 volts live and neutral or live and neutral, it doesn't really matter which one you connect where. It depends on your design. All right. So when you connect power to this place, there is going to be a movement here, which is brought about by a solenoid. There is a coil inside here, and when a coil is energized, it behaves like a magnet. So in that process, this goes down, and when this particular part goes down, when it is depressed as a result of that magnetic effect inside here, what happens is that this contact and this contact will connect together. this one and this one will connect together. This one and this one will connect together. And this one that is normally open will connect together with this one that is normally open. Which means that this is open, this is open, this is open, and this is open. They can only close when you connect your power to this one. So normally in electrical drawings, this is the symbol of your contactor. So now, someone was asking, how do you connect a three-phase load to a contactor? It is very simple. What you do is, your three-phase power line is going to come inside L1, L2, and L3, while the three-phase power line of your load is going to come in here, L1, L2, and L3, which is actually T1 here, T2, and T3. This is exactly how you connect it. Then what you do with your auxiliary contact is now your choice. If you want to use it to control the operation of this or the behavior of the next contactor that is working together with this one, it is up to you what you do with it. I believe with this I've been able to explain this in details, and I believe you understood it. If you have any question on this, please do not hesitate to drop it on the comment section, or you can send me a private message. And of course, you continue to follow me for more tips on power. Thank you very much.